Now, concept of relative velocity in two dimension, which is same as the concept which we have studied in our third chapter. Okay, if one object is moving with some velocity va and the other with vb, then relative velocity of object a with respect to b, that is vab, is given by va minus vb. And if you want to find the relative velocity of b with respect to a, then that b with respect to a is nothing but vb minus va. Now you can see VAB, that is velocity of A with respect to B, and velocity of B with respect to A, they are opposite to each other. Okay, so VAB is equal to minus VBA, but their magnitudes will be same. Okay. Now one example is given on the basis of this relative velocity, concept of relative velocity. Rain is falling vertically with a speed of 35 meter per second. A woman rides a bicycle with the speed of 12 meter per second in east to west direction. What is the direction in which she should hold her umbrella? Okay, now see, the rain is falling vertically downward direction, so this is the direction of the rain, or rather we draw it like this. This is the direction of rain, and this way the cyclist is moving. Okay, now the umbrella should not be held vertical, it has to be in this particular direction. So this direction of umbrella which is held by the woman we want to find, and that direction is making an angle theta here. Okay, or in a different way, if you join the heads of these two vectors, this is the velocity vector of bicycle, or this is velocity vector, that is VB, and this vertical vector, let me show it by a different color. Okay, that vertical vector is the velocity of rain. Okay, now we want to find out this velocity of rain with respect to bicycle. Okay, velocity of rain with respect to bicycle. Now see this angle theta which is made, and the angle which is made here, those angles will be same, and if you find this particular angle, then automatically this angle will be found, and this angle theta is here also. So at which angle the umbrella should be held, that we can determine. Okay, now see this vector which I have drawn, the vector which I have drawn here, this vector I am talking about, this vector is velocity of rain with respect to bicycle, velocity of rain with respect to bicycle. Okay, and if I want to find out this particular angle, then I can easily find by taking tan theta. See, tan theta is nothing but VB, that is opposite upon adjacent. Opposite is VB, so VB upon it becomes VR. Okay, and these values are given, that of VB. VB is given to be vertically, rain is falling with 35 meter per second, so it is 30. Rather VB is the velocity of bicycle. Okay, velocity of bicycle is 12 meter per second, so it becomes 12. VB is 12. VB is the velocity of bicycle, and this is the velocity of rain. Velocity of rain is 35. So 12 upon 35 will get round about 0.343, and that value you must find out from the natural tangent you locate this value, okay, and in the horizontal direction the angles are given, okay, you have to just locate this value and then you have to see in the horizontal direction there the angles are given, and that corresponding angle is found to be about 19 degree. It will be about 19 degree, okay. So she should hold her umbrella at an angle of about 19 degree with the vertical towards the west, okay, towards the west means in this direction she should hold the umbrella because she is moving from east to west, okay, she is moving from east to west, okay, therefore the umbrella must be in this particular direction towards west, okay.